this video, we're going to see how to give customers rewards earned in Revel. Once you log in, tap the New Order button to begin a new order. Then, search for the customer by name, email, or phone number. Tap the correct customer in the list of results. Enter the customer's order and tap Pay. If the customer has a reward, the Rewards Available dialog will display. If this does not display, one reason is that the customer does not have enough points for a reward. Another reason is a reward that requires a specific product and that product is not in the cart. Tap the reward and then the Apply button. Pay it out, and at the end you'll see the total number of points, including those for this order. We've now seen how easy it is to use rewards. Please check out our other videos for more helpful guides.